if 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to a sin in bracket theta plus alpha, then the value of a and alpha are. Here we have to find a value of a and alpha with the given condition. Given condition is 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta is equal to a sin theta plus alpha. Here on right hand side we can see a term is coming, that is sine of theta plus alpha. For solving that we can use a identity, that is sine a plus b, which can be written as sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So on opening this we will get sine theta plus cos alpha and cos theta sin alpha. So this is the identity which we have used, that is sin a plus b, which is equal to sin a cos b and cos a sin b. After comparing we can see here a sin theta cos alpha plus a cos theta sin alpha is equal to 3 cos theta plus 4 sin theta. It can also rewrite as a sin alpha cos theta plus a cos alpha sin theta. We just rearrange the given equation for comparison, and we can easily compare that 3 from left hand side compared with right hand side. We will get a sin alpha is equal to 3, and on comparing 4 in sin theta will be equal to a cos alpha. Therefore on comparison we will get this. Now we will solve this further, that is a sin alpha is 3, let it first equation, and second equation, that is a cos alpha equal to 4. Now we will square both these equations, that is first square and second square, and then we will add both the equation. Then we will get a sin alpha whole square plus a cos alpha whole square will be equal to 3 square plus 4 square, or we can write it as a square sin square alpha plus a square cos square alpha will be equal to 9 plus 16, means it will be 25. On left hand side we can taken out a square common from both the terms, and remaining term in bracket will be sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Again we will use the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So we are using that identity, and it is equal to 25, means a square is equal to 25, or we can say a is equal to 5. So this was asked in the question, what is the value of a, that is 5, and alpha is also required. So with the help of equation first, with the help of first equation, that is a sin alpha is equal to 3, we can get sin alpha as 3 by 5. Sin alpha will be 3 by 5, or we can say alpha will be sin inverse of 3 by 5. Therefore the question has asked the value of a and alpha. So answer of this question is 5 comma alpha is sin inverse 3 by 5. Thank you.